What's up internet, MJ here from Sherwood Dodge, presenting this 2011 Ram half-ton Laramie. This one comes with a little bit of chrome in the front, chrome wheels. This one also has your trailer brake controller as well as pillar to mirror. So in case if you are pulling the trailer, you can flip the mirror and you can see as far as possible needed. Now, this one is a quad cab, of course, so rear door in the back, 6'4" box. Box comes with a tonneau cover, of course. You got the power seats, memory seats, power pedal, heated and vented seats for driver and passenger, as well as your heated steering wheel, remote start. I can go on and on about this truck, but this has so many features here. You can also make a false floor just like that under the seat, the bigger one as well. In the back here, you will be able to see dual exhaust, hitch receiver, 4 and 7 pin, rear parking sensors, of course the backup camera. So if you want to take this truck on a test drive, please call MJ at 780-802-4421 to take this truck on a test drive. I'll see you guys around.